Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to MARIEE channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the amethyst castor oil and the growth that comes from it. So right now I'm just applying the castor oil on her hair. It's much easier to apply the castor oil on the hair when you have braids. So a lot of people is like wearing wigs now, and under the wigs is braids. This is very, very important to keep your scalp oiled, especially under your wigs, or if you just have braids. But yeah, so right now I'm just applying the castor oil to her scalp, and I'm just massaging the oil into her scalp. She's gonna do this maybe 3 to 5 times out of the week. Right now I'm taking down her braids in the front so you can see how much new growth. It's about 1 inch of new growth. I don't know if you can tell, but right here you can see me pulling up the braid, and there is about 1 inch of new growth. This is from the amethyst castor oil, and it's been only 2 weeks, and this is how much new growth she has. This is a lot of new growth for 2 weeks. Website, it's called GEMSTONE and it has my castor oil on there. If you guys want to purchase it, it will be in the link below in my description box. But yeah, as you can tell, as you can see, this does really work well on your hair. And like I said, if you have braids, or you don't even have to have braids, you can just apply this to your scalp 3 to 5 times a week, and you'll get about 1 inch of new growth.